This video has a little something to do with these. Italian sausage by Johnsonville. And this $75 Walmart Expert Grill rotisserie. Stay tuned. Hey, check it out. Hot Italian sausage on the rotisserie. Will this work? Don't know. We're gonna give it a try. Excuse the shadow. Oh yeah, I got 5 of them. That one right there, I'm a little nervous about because the one prong sticking out was shorter than the other ones, so. Oh yeah, it's worth a try. Got to get them to 160 degrees internal temperature according to the package. So I got it on the lowest setting there, closest to the fire, to the coals. Kingsford briquettes, leftover bag, and some little tiny chunks of Cowboy brand lump charcoal, the little pieces that are at the bottom. Using what I got. All right, we'll come back. Let's see how they do. Peace. Hey, I'm back. Check this out. This is working. Oh, the smell coming off this hot Italian sausage. I threw a handful of hickory chips on there just to get a little kiss of fire on these suckers. It's probably been not even 15 minutes. The juices are pouring off. And look at these things. They look delicious. This is working. Oh yeah. I feel and I smell tailgating at a football game. It reminds me of back in the day when we used to go to see the Bills play in Western New York. Tailgating, the smells and the fun. Oh yeah. Which reminds me, you know, this little $75 portable Expert Grill from Walmart, this rotisserie, this would be awesome for tailgating. Doesn't take up any room at all. Oh, guys, I'm telling you, if you could smell it. If you could smell it. All right, we'll come back. Peace. Look at these. It literally took like 15 minutes, maybe 20. They tempt out at like 180. Imagine that. Aiden and I are going to try these out. Don't show Aiden on camera. They're Italian sausage, so go ahead and put your peppers and onions and all that stuff. Oh, I love mustard. Hit it, brother. Mmm. Mmm. Mm-hmm.
Hot juice all over my hand.
Oh. Mm.
Good.
I love it. I love it. Are these not delicious?
They're very good. My hand hurts.
You got 2nd degree.
Are they hot?
Yeah, they're
Like
really
spicy
I
hot?
bit into it
Yeah.
and it just squirted on me.
Oh, are you okay?
No, it hurts.
We'll
hot.
go
I'm sorry
emergency
about
room.
that.
I'm gonna die now.
Okay.
These are really good. This is a cool idea. This is fun. Johnsonville.
They
hot
look
Italian
really
sausage.
good.
On the rotisserie. Peace.